Morning everybody. Now I start your math class. Chapter 1 and 2 you have completed. Now I take chapter 3. Chapter 3, what is the subject of this chapter? Fractions. First of all, what do you mean by fractions? What is called fraction? Fractions means as a part of a whole. Whole, that is a part, that is called fraction. This pen, if you part this, that is one part is a fraction. Okay? If a cake is divided into 5 equal parts, that is 1 by 5. That is 1 by 5 is fraction. Okay? So, fractions. Fraction means as a part of a whole. If a cake is divided into 5 equal parts, each part is represented by 1 by 5 or one part out of 5 equal. Out of 5 equal parts. Okay, that is one part. So 1 by 5, 1 2 3 4 5, 1 covered, that is 1 by 5, 1 1 2 covered up, so 2 by 5, 1 2 3 1 2 3 4 5, 3 by 5. These are 1 by 5, 2 by 5, 3 by 5. These are called fractions. A fraction has two parts, upper part, lower part. That is 1 by 5, 6 by 8, 1 by 7, 3 by 8. 1, 6, 1, 3 upper parts are 5, 8, 7, 5 lower parts. So upper parts of fraction is called numerator. This is called 1 numerator. Lower parts are called denominator. That is 1, 6, 1, 3 numerators. Are 5, 8, 7, 5. These are called denominators. Okay. Upper part is called numerators. Lower part is called denominators. Okay. There are many types of fraction. Types of fractions. Proper fraction. When the numerator is smaller than the denominator, upper part is smaller than the lower part, that is called proper fraction. Okay. That is 1 by 8, 1 is less than 8. 2 by 7, 2 is less than 7. 23 by 69, 23 is less than 69. 101, 130, 101 is less than 139, etc. So if the upper part, that is numerator, is less than the denominator, that is called proper fraction. Improper fraction, when the numerator is greater than the denominator, that is called improper fraction. That is 7 by 5, 10 by 3, 4 by 3, 25 by 5, 201, 2 by 207, etc. You notice it, 7 is greater than 5, so numerator is greater than denominator, 10 is greater than 3, 4 is greater than 3, 25 is greater than 5, 210 is greater than 207. So these are called improper fractions. So if the numerator is less than, smaller than the denominator, that is called proper fraction. Vice versa, if the numerator is greater than the denominator, that is called improper fraction. Okay. Mixed fraction, one whole number and one fraction, fractional part. A mixed fraction consists of a whole number and a fractional part, which is a proper fraction. That is 1 2 by 5, one whole number, 2 by 5 proper fraction. Okay. 2 4 by 5, 2 whole number, 4 by 5 fractional number, proper fraction. 4 1 by 2, 4 whole number, 1 by 2 improper fraction, proper fraction. So mixed fraction, one whole number and one fractional number. Fractional number must be proper fraction. So this is called mixed fraction. Like fraction. Fractions with the same denominator are called like fractions. Same denominator. Denominator 3 by 11. Lower portion is denominator, so 3 by 11, 2 by 11, 14 by 11, 128 by 11, 1 by 11. All denominators are equal. So this is called like fractions. Unlike fraction, fractions with different denominators, denominators different, then they are called unlike fraction. That is 3 by 4, 3 by 5, 6 by 7, 1 by 9, all denominators are different. 4, 5, 7, 9, 26. So these are called unlike fraction. Unit fraction, a fraction with numerator 1. If the fraction contains 1 is numerator, that is called unit fraction. That is 1 by 5, 1 by 5, 1 by 7, 1 by 10, etc. 1 numerator 1 होना चाहिए. 1 if the numerator is 1, that is called unit fraction. So we have some fraction, type of fractions, what is called fraction we have completed. I hope that you are also understand. And what are fractional number, two parts, upper part numerator, lower part denominator. And there are different kinds of fraction, that is like a proper fraction. If the numerator is smaller than the denominator, that is called proper fraction. And if the numerator is greater than the denominator, that is called improper fraction. Unlike fraction, like fraction, the same denominator. If the denominators are same, that are called like fractions. The denominators are different, that is called unlike fraction. Unit fraction, if the numerators is 1, that is called unit fraction. Okay, you have to remember this about fraction. Now I do 3a, chapter 3a. Find 4 equivalent fractions for the giving fraction. If you do equivalent, that is similar fraction, what do? You multiply the denominator and the numerator same number, that is 3 by 7. Because 3 into 2, 7 into 2, that is 6 by 14. Okay, 3 बोले 4, तो 3 by 7, 3 into 3, 7 into 3. Upper denominator, numerator same number, multiply. 3 by 7, 3 by 7, 4 by 3 into 4, 7 into 4. 3 by 7, 3 into 5, 7 into 5. That is 3 by 7, 3 2 ja 6, 7 2 ja 14, 3 3 ja 9, 3 7 ja 21, 3 4 ja 12, 7 4 ja 28, 3 5 ja 15, 7 5 ja 35. That is 3 by 7 equal to 6 by 14, 9 by 21, 12 by 21, 15 by 35. That is equivalent fractions 12 by 28. 6 by 14, 9 by 21, 12 by 28, 15 by 35. That is equivalent fractions of 3 by 7 are 6 by 14, 9 by 21, 12 by 28 and 15 by 35. Okay. B number 2 by 9. 2 by 9, 2 into 2, 4, 9 into 2, 18. 2 by 9, 2 into 3, 6, 9 into 3, 27. 2 by 9, 2 into 4, 8, 9 into 4, 36. 2 by 9, 2 into 5, 9 into 5. So, 4 equivalent fractions 2 by 9 of 2 by 9 are 4 by 18, 6 by 27, 8 by 36 and 10 by 45. Okay. C. 4 by 5. Similar pattern you will do it. A 4 by 5. 4 into 2, 8. 5 into 10. 4 into 3, 12. I do it here. You notice it. 8 by 10, 12 by 15, 16 by 20, 20 by 25. That is 4 into 2, 8. 4 into 3, 12. 4 into 4, 16. 4 into 5, 20. That is 5 into 2, 10. 5 into 3, 15. 5 into 4, 20. 5 into 5, 25. Okay. D number 7 by 11. Similar process. 7 into 2, 14. 11 into 2, 22. 7 into 3, 21. 11 into 3, 33. 7 into 4, 28, 11 into 4, 44. 7 into 5, 35, 11 into 5, 55. Okay. 2 number. Fill in the boxes to make equivalent fractions. That is A, 3 by 4. 3 by 4, 3 into blank, 4, 16. 4 into 4, 16. So 3 into 4, 12. Okay. B, 5 by 9. So 35 blank. 5 into 7, 35. So 9 into 7, 63. Okay. 7 by 8, 64 given, but blank. So 8 into 8, 64. So 7 into 8, 56. Okay. D number. 7 by 11. 7, 63. 7 blank. 63, 99. 7 into 9, 63. The 99 money 9, 63 divided by 9, 7. The 99 divided by 9, 11. Okay, because 7 into 9, 63, or 11 into 9, 99. Okay. E, 2 by 13. 2 by 13 galat. 13, 51. Lekin it is wrong. This math is totally wrong. 51, 52. Printing mistake. 52 होगा. So 2 by 13 equal to blank. यहाँ पर 50. So 15. 13 into 4, 52. 13 4 जा 52. तो 2 4 जा 8 होगा. Okay. Compare the given fractions and put the right sign less than and greater than. If you put less than and greater, if the denominator are equal, that is greater than, less than, it is no problem. It is very easy. So 7 by 4, 11 by 4. Denominator equal. So 7 is less than 11. So less than. 8 by 13, 2 by 13. So 13, 13 equal. So 8 is greater than 2. So sign hoga greater than. 5 by 24, 7 by 24. 24, 24. Denominator equal. 5 less than 7. So 5 by 24 less than 7 by 24. Okay. Arrange the given fractions in ascending order. Ascending order means smaller to greatest. So denominator equal होगा, no problem. 13 by 22, 18 by 22, 10 by 22, 3 by 22. All are equal 22. So numerator smallest 3. So 3 by 22, 10, 10 by 22. After this 13, 13 by 22. After this 18 by 22. So 3 less than 10, 10 less than 13, 13 less than 18. So 18 is greatest, last में, and first 3 by 22. Okay. B, 33 by 42, 16 by 42, 39 by 42, 9 by 42 equal denominators. So smallest 9, 9 by 42, 16 by 42, 33 by 42, 39 by 42. Okay. Arrange the given fractions in descending order. That is A. 7 by 27. Descending means सबसे जो greatest, first you put greatest and last you put smallest. Greatest to smallest. 7 by 27, 10 by 27, 18 by 27, 21 by 27. All are equal. So numerator greatest 21. So 21 by 27, 18 by 27, 10 by 27, 7 by 27. Okay. B, 15 by 39, 7 by 39, 10 by 39, 26 by 39. All are equal. So सबसे greatest 26, 26 by 39, 15 by 39, 10 by 39, 7 by 39. Okay. This is the exercise 3A. We have completed today, and next day we will do 3B. Okay. Thank you.